What's up guys, welcome to ACeperience video. I'm Johnny here. Last week we tested the top speed of this WPL D12 with 280 brush model. Its result is not really impressive because it only can go up to 12 km per hour. So we plan to upgrade the performance parts of this truck. And so we found quite a numbers of individual upgrading the stock model to 370 brush model. So today we have one here, and you can easily get it online. We will get this installed and see its performance. Basically, we will compare the speeds between the stock 280 with this new 370 brush model. So we will find out the answer for you, so stay tuned. Okay, first thing first, you need to remove this truck head and also the trunk. And so basically you need to unscrew 6 bolts. There's 2 here, 2 here, and the other 2 here. So after you remove this 6 bolt, so you can remove the truck head and also the trunk. So we will remove the stock model and install the new model from here. And to connect back to the receiver. So let's get it started. that's impressive. I didn't expect it was 19 km per hour after upgraded the 370 model, but I'm kind of greedy and wanted more speed into it. So in next video, I will upgrade from the brush model to the brushless model, and see how fast it can go. Finally, please give a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, because a subscribe will bring you good luck for the whole year. Trust me. Peace.